Hey guys, I'm creating a routine for your entire upper body. So you just need a tower and you're working with your body resistance. So exercise number 1.
Yes, finally a back workout without having to lift anything heavy. With the tower this way, you pull with your arms and upper back as in a normal row, and the resistance is set by you and your lower back. This means this exercise is for your entire back, upper and lower part. A very complete exercise to start today's workout with. Remember to arch the whole time. Keep your elbows close to your body and squeeze your shoulders blades together as much as possible.
Exercise number 2.
Chain grip of the tower. And this time you are not pulling with your back, now you are pulling with your biceps. It is still the lower back that decides the resistance for this exercise. It might feel a bit weird when your muscles are working against each other since they normally work with each other, but just get used to it because it's a fantastic exercise.
Exercise number 3.
Now we are working the rear delts plus some back. Now it's not the lower back setting the resistance. It will be the weight of your leg, or if you want more resistance, you can always use the strength of your glute to make the exercise even harder. Keep your elbows straight out in this exercise and pull towards your face.
Ejercicio número 4.
Let's give the shoulders and part of your back a great workout now. Starting position is a straight arm parallel to the floor, and you pull straight up over your head until your hand and arm point straight up, and the movement must be with an almost straight arm. Also here is the weight of your leg that is setting the resistance, and it should be more than enough.
Exercise number, which number is?
I don't know.
Okay, next one.
Yes, those biceps again. But this time with another grip, and your legs serve as the weight, not your lower back. This grip make it equal to a hammer curl. It's amazing that you can do with just a tower.
Next exercise.
Now think of it as you are in the gym doing wide grip bicep curl with easy bars, super similar. A clear disadvantage is that you're standing on one leg and you need to rely on your balance. The clear advantage with doing like this instead of in the gym with the easy bar is that here you can adjust the weight and really push hard on the weight down for the so-called negative phase. The negative phase in an exercise means the movement back from the fully flexed biceps to a straight arm. That should be slow and controlled. Many who lift to heavy weights neglect the negative phase and drop the weight back down fast. The positive phase in an exercise is the explosive part that normally is much faster. Hopefully you learned something new today. Or do I speak too much?
You speak a lot.
Exercise number.
It is madness how something this silly looking can be so effective.
Discipline here is very important. You need to keep the resistance.
This spot on triceps exercise will work both your triceps at the same time. And this whole exercise is about your triceps bundling towards each other instead of working together as they normally do. For example here, one tricep is resisting the force from your other tricep that is pushing.
And the last exercise.
Can I add a firework on this one, maybe?
Okay, just one.
Standing up like this, pulling with your bicep will now also involve glutes and hamstrings. This exercise is a mix of this one and this one. Keep your leg almost straight and go down so your body is parallel to the floor, not more. In the upper position, return back before you are standing straight up to maintain the tension in every muscle.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are my motivation. That's the reason I do it. So, thank you.
¿Quieres seguir entrenando conmigo? No hay problema. Tengo un programa de ejercicio para la casa de 60 días en la aplicación Fitplan. Pero eso es solo para aquellos que desean ser saludables, más felices y vivir una vida más larga. Si por casualidad eres uno de esos, entonces entrenemos juntos, tú y yo. Espero que hayas disfrutado de esta rutina de ejercicio. Recuerda que tengo mucho más que ofrecer, programas de entrenamiento del cuerpo completo que puedes hacer sin ir a ningún lado. Así que quédate en casa y entrenemos juntos tú y yo.